Ever juggle multiple bank accounts? Maybe you're looking for a new one in Germany and stumbled upon Comdirect and Commerzbank. They sound similar, but are they the same bank? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of German finance to sort things out. Commerzbank, the grand old name. Commerzbank is a heavyweight. Founded in 1870, it's one of Germany's biggest traditional banks, boasting a vast network of branches nationwide. They offer a full spectrum of financial services, from checking and savings accounts to loans, mortgages, and investment products. Think of Commerzbank as your one-stop shop for all things banking. Need a safety deposit box? Check. Want to talk to a real person about a complex financial issue? They've got branches for that. Comdirect, the tech-savvy challenger. Comdirect, established in 1994, took a different approach. They're an online-only bank, focusing on a streamlined digital experience. Their motto? Banking wherever you are. Comdirect offers many of the same core services as Commerzbank, but with a focus on convenience and competitive rates. Think mobile app management, free debit cards, and often lower fees. So, are they the same bank? Nope. While Commerzbank owns a majority stake in Comdirect, they operate as separate entities. Think of it like a family business. Commerzbank is the established parent company, while Comdirect is the tech-savvy, independent child. Choosing your banking champion. Ultimately, the best bank depends on your needs. Team Traditional, if you value face-to-face interaction with advisors and a full range of services under one roof, Commerzbank might be your champion. Team Tech Savvy, for those who prioritize convenience, competitive rates, and a mobile-first experience, Comdirect could be the perfect match. Beyond the big two, Germany has a vibrant financial landscape, with several other online and challenger banks vying for your business. Always do your research and compare fees, features, and account types before making a decision. Remember, banking is a long-term relationship. Choose a partner that aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.